The job market is competitive. It's even more challenging in the virtual world. Your online presence is your first impression. Make it count. A strong digital footprint can set you apart. Imagine this, a recruiter is interested in you. They search your name online. What will they find? Make sure it showcases your best self. Think of it as your digital handshake. It needs to be firm, confident, and memorable. Your online presence is a powerful tool. Use it to your advantage. Showcase your skills, experience, and personality. Make it easy for recruiters to see your value. A polished online presence is crucial in today's digital world. Start with your LinkedIn profile, as it serves as your digital business card. It's your professional resume for the digital age, showcasing your skills and experiences. Keep it updated and relevant. Use a professional headshot to make a strong first impression. Craft a compelling headline that highlights your expertise and unique value. Review your social media profiles regularly. Ensure it aligns with your professional goals and the image you want to project. What you share online reflects your personal brand, so be mindful of your posts. Make sure it's something you're proud of and that it enhances your professional image. Consider creating content related to your industry to establish yourself as a thought leader. Share your insights and expertise regularly. Remember, authenticity is key to building trust. Be yourself, but always maintain a professional demeanor. Showcase your personality, but keep it appropriate for your industry and audience. Your online presence should be a true reflection of who you are in the workplace, consistent and genuine. Congratulations, you got the interview. Now, ace it virtually. Preparation is key. Familiarize yourself with video conferencing platforms. Test your internet connection and microphone. Choose a neutral background. Dress professionally, just like you would for an in-person interview. Maintain good eye contact. Look directly at the camera when speaking. Project your voice clearly and confidently. Engage actively with the interviewer. Listen attentively and ask thoughtful questions. Show that you're interested and enthusiastic. Follow up after the interview. Send a thank you note reiterating your interest. Virtual interviews can be just as successful as in-person ones with the right approach. Practice and preparation will help you shine. Section 4. The power of digital networking. Networking is essential for career growth. In today's digital age, it's easier than ever to expand your network online. Platforms like LinkedIn are valuable resources. They allow you to connect with industry leaders and peers. Connect with professionals in your field, engage with them authentically, build genuine relationships, comment on their posts and share your insights. This helps you stay visible and relevant in your industry. Join online industry groups and communities. Participate in discussions. Share your knowledge and learn from others. Share your expertise and learn from others. This exchange of ideas can lead to new opportunities. Virtual events and webinars are great opportunities. They allow you to connect with a wider audience. Attend these events to expand your knowledge. Ask questions and engage with the content. Connect with speakers and attendees virtually. Building relationships takes time. Be patient and persistent. Nurture your connections. Provide value to others. Don't just focus on what you can get. Think about how you can contribute to others' success. Offer your skills and support. Be generous with your knowledge and resources. You never know where a connection may lead. A simple conversation could open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Section 5. Success story. From online presence to dream job. Take Sarah, for example. She was a talented graphic designer with a keen eye for detail and a passion for creativity. Despite her skills, she felt stuck in her current role, unable to advance or find new opportunities. Determined to change her situation, Sarah decided to revamp her online presence. She meticulously updated her LinkedIn profile and portfolio, showcasing her best work and achievements. She also started sharing her design insights and projects on social media platforms. Through online networking, she even landed several freelance gigs, which boosted her confidence and portfolio. Her efforts paid off. A prominent design agency noticed her enhanced online presence. They were thoroughly impressed by her skills, creativity, and initiative. They reached out and invited her for a virtual interview. Sarah prepared thoroughly and aced her virtual interview with confidence and professionalism. As a result, she landed her dream job at the design agency. Sarah's story is a testament to the power of a strong and well-managed online presence. It clearly shows how actively managing your digital footprint can open doors to exciting and rewarding opportunities in your career. Section 6. Take charge of your virtual future. The virtual job market is here to stay. Embrace it. Craft a compelling online presence. Master the art of virtual networking. Ace your virtual interviews. You have the power to stand out and achieve your career goals. Remember, you are in control of your digital narrative. Make it a story of success. Start building your online presence today. Your dream job might be just a click away. For more tips and resources, visit my website or follow me on social media. I'm here to support you on your journey to career success.